So guys, it's Tuesday 27th of November and I've managed to get Warren to go to A&E. So we're off to A&E to see if he has broke his foot or not, because it's not getting any better. It's very swollen, it's very purple. So place your bets now. Let me know in the comments, broken or not.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we.
Luckily it's not very busy, but it does say a 5-hour wait. Well, got A&E to ourselves, no one here now. However, that thing up there is saying 5 hours, so why we got to wait 5 hours? I can't see it being 5 hours. He hasn't even been called into triage yet. Alright, what's that?
Yep.
Broken or not? Don't know. Does it feel broken?
No.
No, we'll see in a bit.
Okay, brilliant.
Right on the side. It's just like down that
so
side.
this area you more than anything, is it?
Ooh.
Yeah, sorry, buddy. Sorry. Can you feel me touching you?
Yeah.
Can you wiggle your toes and things? Okay, great. Are you on any regular medication?
We're now waiting for an X-ray. He's now in X-ray. Fingers crossed he's not got a broken foot. So we're out, and luckily it's not broken. You would swear it was looking at it. He's badly sprained it, and he's ripped and torn all the muscle and the ligament in his foot, and that's why it went. It's getting busy now. We've only been in there, what, 2 hours at the most? Luckily. So, yep, no break, thankfully. So I'll be able to go back to work. Right, thanks for watching, guys. No broken bones. Oh. And see you on the next one.